Did you ever see a tool that you're not so sure about, but you're pretty curious about? Today is one of those days. I'm Simon. This is Sideways Woodworks. This is the Ryobi hand belt sander. That's what I call it. No fancy names here. You can find it, you know what it is. Sometimes I look at tools and I really wonder if they're just a gimmick, because let's face it, some of them are, or if it's really gonna work. I got to thinking to myself, there are more often times than not when I'm working on a project and I get finished with it and I find myself needing to sand just little bits and parts off here and there. And I'm sure you've had to go through that too. And when I saw this, I'm like, wow, if this worked real well and was nice and uniform, this might come in pretty handy. It's a 1/2 inch wide belt and you can really get into some tight places. As far as brushless, this ain't it. But then again, I don't think it needs to be. Doesn't need to be that powerful. It works really smooth. It seems to do the job really well. Now granted, I've only had it for a couple of weeks and only used it for a couple of things, so I can't attest to the longevity of this. To me, for me, the stuff is made pretty well. I'm team green, especially with the new batteries that they've came out with. So I've got a little something that's been bugging me about my bench top planer. I built a flip top for it, a little cabinet. There's some places on that I'd like to get sanded down pretty fast, and I didn't want to do it by hand. Hey, that's one reason that I saw the need to get this and try it out and see how it works. So if you see on these edges, it doesn't quite come down and meet perfect on these little tabs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sand these edges off. Wow, that only took a couple of minutes. It was super fast, and like I said, it will get rid of a lot of material very quickly. This thing isn't that expensive. It's only about $100 and the belts are very cheap. You can get them in all different kinds of grits. Ryobi makes this really simple to use and change out the belts. Watch how it's very easy to change out this belt. All you do, release that lever and you change it. Boom. It's that easy. I'm like a lot of you, I'm sure. I don't like to waste a lot of time putting new saw blades on, or with this, putting a new belt on. So the easier it is, hey, the better it is for me. So you just put it back on, boom. And that's the tensioner. It's done, it's on, and you're good to go. It is a trigger pull with a lock, and it has variable speed control right here, which I like. There, it's locked, so you can do what you need to with. Variable speed. Unlock it, stop it. Now let me tell you, this thing will move a lot of material really quick. And that's what I like about it. Down in the comment, let me know if you have one of these, if you like them, and what you've been able to accomplish with it. Maybe you'll give me some other ideas and uses for it. Thank you for stopping by. Here's another video to watch.